the Stone Dog Show.
Reminded of the lines that I crossed, thinking about the wars that we wage and we fought. The fire and flames.
We're going to play a little game that we're going to call Stone Dog Trivia. Okay? So every show, we're going to have a trivia section of the said Stone Dog Show. All right? And we're going to have the first champion crowned tonight. All right? If said champion can come back for next episode, that's great. If not, we'll make other arrangements. But hopefully we can have kind of a continuing thing. So we're going to do this way. When I ask you guys a question, all right, if you think you know the answer, then you say your name. Okay? So Tom, Colt, Shane, right? If you get it right, you get 20 points starting the first round, okay? Whenever I change the rounds, which is whenever, to the second round, it'll be 50 points. And final elimination, I don't know. I'll just decide as we go. But I rule this show in this game, so I make the rules. They could change at any time.
Jesus.
One thing that I will say is that you can bone.
What?
You can bone one time per round. Okay. What boning means is if you don't know the answer and you don't think anybody else or someone else doesn't, is you say bone. Okay. And then you say the name of the person you want to bone. And said person, let's say that I want to bone Shane. I'd say bone Shane. Okay. Shane now has to answer said question. If he gets it wrong, he loses 20 points. Got it?
We're all gonna be like negative.
I have so many questions that I'm not gonna ask.
You'll go. We'll figure this out as we go. Okay. So
I don't want to bone any of you. I just want to throw that out there.
You look mutual.
Well, no offense or anything.
Some of these questions are going to be so crazy. Random ass question. Okay, there was a type of flower, like a bulb, that used to be used as currency. Okay? What kind of flower, like the bulb, like what kind of flower do you think used to be used as currency?
A tulip.
Tom gets 20 points.
Did you know that or did you guess?
I fucking guessed.
I'm impressed.
It's the only bulb I could think of.
All right. Good job. See, that's.
Did I have said my name before I answered?
Yeah, you have to say, what is Tom?
Oh.
You know what? Going forward, yes, you have to say your name first and then answer.
Well, that's not fair. I don't think you should get points.
I don't need points. I'll take the hit there. I'll let you have tulips.
Gabe made it very clear he makes the rules as he goes.
So this was sometime between 1000 AD and 2000 AD. Okay, so you got to get, it was like 11,000, 1200, 1300, 1400, 1500. Tell me which of those, what period of time, okay, was Shakespeare born? Between 1000 AD and 2000 AD.
Colt. 1300?
Wrong.
Okay, cool. That was a guess.
Tom. 1100.
Wrong. Shane, do you have a guess?
Colt, can I guess again?
Nope, Shane. Shane, do you have a guess?
Sure. 1400s, I guess.
We're going to go closest without going over. It's going to be Shane. He was actually born in 1564. So Shane gets 20 points. Good job, Shane.
Thank you.
All right. So next question.
Price is Right rules.
I want the year. It was in the 80s. What year did the Cold War end?
Colt. 4?
Wrong.
Cool.
Tom. 89.
Tom nailed it. Tom, 20 points.
Good job.
All right. What color is absinthe?
Shane. Green.
Got it. Shane.
It's going to be my answer.
20
But I'm
points.
not Shane.
How many valves does a trumpet have?
Shane.
Whoa. That was close. That was a tie. So I got to flip a coin. Shane, heads or tails? Actually, Tom, heads or tails?
Oh, let's go tails.
Who's who?
It's heads. Shane, how many valves does a trumpet have?
3.
3. Shane. All right, that's the end of the first round. So Shane,
God,
right
I
now.
played trumpet for 7 years, man. Come on.
So Shane right now is winning. It's 60 to 40. Tom has 40 points. Colt, you have 0. Moving on to the next round. Okay. Next
Sorry,
round.
Cole.
Next round. These questions are worth 50 points. Okay? So, first question. Michael Jordan traditionally wore the number 23. Okay? All right? He also wore the number 45, if you guys remember, for a while. He also, there was one game where his jersey was stolen. This is a true story. He wore this number for one game. It's between 10 and 20. Colt, what's your guess?
Oh man. 14?
Wrong. Shane. Actually, who else has a guess? Anybody gonna buzz in? No?
Tell the story, I just don't remember.
12.
Tom, 12. Tom gets it. Good job, Tom. All right, that's one question.
I just guessed half of 23.
What?
Roughly half of 23 would have been 12.
You guessed kind of half of 23.
I can't do half numbers, Colt. Come on. I'm guesstimating here.
Okay.
It was either 11 or 12. Give me a break here.
Okay, so here's the next question. Next question. The Earth, the diameter of the Earth is how many thousand miles? It's between 1 and 20,000 miles. Anybody?
Tom,
Any guess? Tom.
20.
20's Tom's guess. Wrong. Anyone else?
Colt,
Colt?
18.
18. Shane, do you have a guess?
I'll say 17.
17. Shane wins because it's 8,000 miles.
Whoa.
What?
Yeah, Shane's closest. So we're going to give it to Shane. 50 points. There we go. I want to mention that nobody has boned anyone else yet.
I'm kind of
It's
okay
going to
with
stay
that.
that way as long as we keep referring to it as boning.
I just want to say that no one has boned anybody yet. It's still out there.
Explain what boning is again.
Boning
Maybe you
is
answer the question.
if you don't know the answer, and you think that someone else doesn't, right?
Okay.
You can say bone and then say Shane. And then Shane has to answer the question I asked. And if he doesn't get it, he loses. Now it's 50 points because the round's 50 points.
Oh, that's smart. Okay, I got it. Good.
Okay, got it? So right now, I just want to remind you guys, Shane has 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 110 points. Shane has 110 points. Tom has 90 points. So it's 110 to 90. Colt still has nothing.
Nobody wants to give me negative points. I get it.
Okay, so here we go. So what was I going to ask you? Let's see here. Oh, yeah. So next question. Name the 7th planet from the sun.
Shane.
Shane, go.
Neptune.
Wrong.
Tom,
Tom.
Uranus.
Got it. Tom got it. 50 points for Uranus. There you go. Let's see here. Okay. What's another word for lexicon?
Bone Shane.
Whoa! Power move.
I definitely saw this coming.
If you get it right, you get 100 points. If you miss it, you lose 50.
Lexicon. Can you repeat the question?
Yes.
Can you use it in the form of a sentence?
What's another word for lexicon?
No idea. I don't know.
Okay.
They
Well,
make printers?
Shane loses 50 points.
Damn you, Colt.
The answer is dictionary.
Sorry, not sorry.
Dictionary. Dictionary. Okay. Let's see here. What's the largest freshwater lake in the world? It's one of the Great Lakes.
Shane,
Shane, go.
I'm going to go Michigan.
Wrong.
Tom.
Tom.
Superior.
Tom got it. 50 points.
Because it's literally called Superior.
Look at the big brain on Tom.
I'm guessing on all of these.
That cheater. Just guessing on words.
Next question, guys. Name the world's largest ocean.
I'd like to bone Tom.
Oh, Tom getting boned.
Pacific.
Pacific Ocean. Tom's right. Tom gets another 50 points.
I thought it was 100.
The round hasn't changed yet, bro. That's if you would have got it right when you got boned. Oh, he did get boned. He's right. 100 points. Shane, thanks for the flag on the field, bro. That's what this game's all about. So
I should
right
get
now,
half of those.
Tom is
I should
sitting
get
up.
half of those.
Tom's got an enormous cock right now. He's got
I mean, I've always had one of those.
256, 290 points. Tom has. Shane has 60 because he lost 50. Colt is sitting at 0. However, my friends, don't fret because this next round, the final round, is 1,000-point questions.
Oh, snap.
What the fuck are we been working on then?
Last round, we got to see.
Roll.
My goddamn show, Tom.
I really worked hard for those 290 points, and now you're giving them away.
Hey, you just got to get a couple questions right and you
This
secure
is
your win.
inflation right here. That's what this is.
Okay, so guys, listen to me. Here we go. Questions worth 1,000 points. If you bone someone, they lose 1,000.
Do we all get?
Here, Colt? You can still win, bud.
Okay. Let's do
Do
this.
we all still get a? Do you get another bone for this round?
Yeah, you
I
get a
still
bone
haven't
this
boned
round.
anyone.
And if you answer the question right, you get 2,000 points. So if somebody tries to fuck you over and you get it right, you're like, hey, fuck you, right? Okay, so here we go. First question. Name the only American state to begin with the letter P.
Tom.
Tom.
Pennsylvania.
Tom. 1,000 points for Tom. Jeez, boys, it's getting thick up in here.
Bad thing is that Philadelphia was the first thing that popped in my head.
Yep, you're a horrible person.
Thank you.
Let's see here. Okay. What's the capital city of Spain?
Colt?
Colt.
No.
What?
Portugal?
Portugal. Portugal is wrong.
Cool.
Someone else. Anybody else?
Can I still bone somebody?
You cannot.
Tom.
Tom?
Madrid.
Tom gets it right.
Said that I was like, man.
Tom is fucking assassinating you guys right now. Okay.
It's not my intention. I'm sorry.
Okay. What is the world's longest river?
I'll bone Tom.
Whoa! The bone to Tom. Tom's getting boned. Tom, the world's longest river is...
Denial.
Denial is not even a river. Are you saying the Nile?
Yeah, the Nile.
You are wrong, my friend. Tom loses 1,000 points. All right.
Tom. Can I answer again?
No. You're fucked. Who played Neo in The Matrix?
Shane.
Shane.
Keanu Reeves.
Keanu Reeves is wrong. What was his name actually? It's not Keanu Reeves. It's nobody?
Shane was still answering, I thought.
No, Shane answered. He said Keanu. It's not Keanu.
Oh, come on.
Really?
Come on. Who is
Give
it?
him his points.
What's his name?
I mean, we all know it, but just give him his
Oh my
points.
God. It's not how the game works, Tom. What's his
Fine.
name?
Bone.
Bone who?
Shane.
You can't do that. He already answered. Okay, he boned you, Colt. Colt, who played the actor?
You can't just say that he
I
boned.
can because his name is not Keanu.
I revoke my bone. I revoke my bone.
Okay, Tom, go.
Keanu, that's what gives me the points.
Keanu. Colt gets Keanu.
Shane,
Colt's
I'm
in the
fighting
game.
for you here, brother.
Colt's
I'm
got
fighting
1,000 points. So now suddenly it's changed.
I feel like those aren't deserved, but okay.
Tom has 1,100. Tom has 1,290 points. Colt has 1,000 points. Shane has 60 points.
I'd like to go to the judges on this.
I'm the judge, so you're fucked. All right. Since this is my show, this is the last question. Okay. Shane, we're going to make this worth 1,500 points. Okay. It's going to give you a chance. All right. I'm going to ask you guys a question about me since it's my show. All right. How many bands have I been in since 2010?
Well, 4.
Your answer's 4? That's your answer?
That's my answer.
Colt's right. Colt wins. Colt gets 1,500 points.
Nice
Good job, Colt. That was a good one.
Let's
Yeah,
add this
that's
up.
a great guess.
Colt with the come from behind win. 2,500 points for Colt. Shane, you got 60 points. You suck. Tom, working with 1,290. How this all worked out with the last question. Colt, Bricado.
I got one question right and one like
Yeah, you got one bone because Tom refused to just take the win. Colt, you win. How does it feel to become the first winner of Stone Dog Trivia? Does it feel good?
not great, but okay, I guess.
Wow, not the reaction I was looking for.
Nothing spectacular, but it's okay.
All right, so last kind of thing that I want to do here after I don't congratulate